showers, at least a couple of them, are something we need to watch for this evening. We already see a few small little spots down in Lenawee County, south of Jackson. You can see south of the state line. We're seeing a few small rumbles. And then one spot right over here, just southwest of Iosco, north of Gregory, in western Livingston County. So still a few areas that are just going to see these little pop-up cells. And that's it for today. Now, tomorrow is going to be a different one. We've got the 70s here to start off the day as kids head off to school. Then, as we get into the afternoon hours, you've got highs jumping up all the way into the 80s once again. Thunderstorm chances do move in through the afternoons. Send the kids off to school with an umbrella. Good news is the stronger storm risk isn't until mainly after they're already home. So that's the good news here for us. Even with that being said, while we technically have a severe risk for tomorrow, it's not a large potential. We've got the marginal risk. You can see that right here. It's stage 1. And we've seen severe weather each time we've had a marginal risk this summer. However, each one of those days has looked like we would get at least 1 or 2 storms that make it to the severe limit. And while tomorrow has some fuel, the more likely areas seem to be mainly west of I-75, but potentially up toward the Saginaw area, even a little further west. We have that chance. We will get some storms. And the next weather team will be watching it. But for the most part, the bigger severe chance is not really here. We're going to keep an eye on things for you. But let's time it out so you at least know when we might see these trying to move on through. So we get through tonight, a couple of pop-up showers, maybe a rumble or 2 all the way through about 8 o'clock. Then they are really gone very quickly. The cold front tomorrow swings its way in, and you can see most of the stronger stuff is up to our northwest. You can see again up toward the Saginaw area there. Then we get into the evening tomorrow, and that's where you've got some good downpours, a couple of good little storms. Those are gone, and then it's just rain. Going into Thursday. So the National Weather Service called Thursday grungy. I would agree. It's actually so grungy, maybe we'll just have Nirvana on a loop for you. But so much rain there going on through that it's not a flooding rain. It's just kind of, like you said, grungy through the day. By the time we make it to Friday, we're going to be trying to dry things out. And we should succeed for the most part, but cloud cover will remain. Now, Thursday again, you got the Lions. That's the first day there for the NFL season. You got the 80s at 7 o'clock, half an hour before kickoff Central Time over in Kansas City. But while things heat up there on Thursday night, we cool down for the weekend ahead.
The word